Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about computer vision, and I'm going to do that through my live project which I actually built and deployed. In case this is the first time you watch this channel, I am Frank. Let's start with what is computer vision. At its core, computer vision is about giving machines ability to interpret visual information, not just receive it. When you see a photo of coffee shop, your brain is not seeing only pixels, but it is recognizing objects like a cup of coffee, a wooden table, a soft lighting, and is reading a mood, cozy, calm, aesthetic, and also it's classifying the scene, indoor or outdoor. All happens instantly without your brain thinking about it, and computer vision tries to replicate that, and it does in layer. Okay, here's my live computer vision project. The idea is simple. You upload any photo and it's split out into three caption styles. The funny one, aesthetic one, and the professional one. The interesting part is not the caption. It's everything happening underneath before any single words get written. Let's slow down and understand it.
Here's my repo structure, and I will push all my code in my GitHub. This is all library and packages that I install. I will put it all in the requirement text file.
Now for disclaimer, I didn't write all of this alone. Claude was my partner for this whole project. Layer 1 is scene classification. I'm using mobile net v2 here, a model built by Google and trained on 1.2 million images. This is called transfer learning. Instead of training from scratch, which take a week, I just use the model that has already built and know what image means, like what a page looks like, what food looks like, and I just ask it questions. This one line here, models.mobilenet pretend equal to 2. That's downloading all the knowledge Google built for free. Layer 2 is object detection with YOLO and YOLO V8. It's not young or live once here, but it's you only look once. So the name tells you everything. It scans the entire image in one pass and tells you everything that's in it. Dog, laptop, coffee cup, person with a confidence score for each one. This is different from classification. Classification says this photo is lifestyle photo, but detection says there's a vase in the top left in the photo. Layer 3 is color extraction, and this one is interesting because there is zero neural network here. It's pure classical machine learning, and K-means takes every pixel in the image and groups them into 3 colors cluster. The centroid of each cluster, like the average colors, becomes your dominant colors. Then I map warm colors to warm and golden, cool blues to cool and calm, and so on. Layer 4 is my favorite. Glad calm gradient weight class activation mapping. I know the name is terrible, but what it does is beautiful. It shows you where the eye was looking when it made its decision. The red and yellow areas, that's what the model care about. The blue areas, it basically ignores those. Here with the plant photo, my plant on the table.
Now let's try running our pipeline. Okay, what happened? Okay, here you go. So we've got 3 colors. This is the first one, and this is the second one, and here's the third one.
You can see it focuses on the pot and the stem, not the background, not the table, just the plant. That's explainable AI.
Now come to the context of LLM. So let's log in OpenAI to get the API key. I intend to use GPT-4 Mini in my project. So if you guys want to use other LLM, it would be different platform to get API key. Don't forget to hide your own API key, because if someone used your API key, it would cost you lots. fill your API key in the .env file or environment variables file. You shouldn't hard code the fixed value in the LM pipeline. This is again for security purpose. Then all of that context, scene type, list of objects, color mode, hex codes get bundled into a prompt and sent to GPT-4o Mini. The LM is not doing the vision work. The LM is just the writer based on prompt engineering in the red characters here. The CV pipeline is the eyes. Two things I want to highlight quickly is first, the environment file. Your API key never goes in the code. Never. It goes in environmental file. You add that to git ignore as well, and it never touched GitHub. Okay, then let's run our LM pipeline. See how the result is. So here's the 3 version. I do like the professional one. Okay, you can see that the professional version has no emoji, which is sensible. Okay, here the final stage. Deploy in Gradio UI and push it on Hugging Face space. So I will not go through in detail in terms of the UI. You can adapt or adjust the word in your front-end UI based on your preference. For example, in the blog title here and the markdown description. Now let's run our front end. Okay, here's our front end. Let me try upload some pictures as a sample. I mean another picture. Okay, here you go. Here's our 3 colors and 3 boxes below are the captions. This is the first colors. Okay, seems brown, dark brown. And this is the second one. Still brown. I don't think because AI explainability is focused on the central in the picture. Here's the third one. They focus only this central. Okay, there are still gaps of improvement here. Now I deployed on the Hugging Face space as well, and it's free. Okay, that's all guys for the quick and light computer vision project.
Like and subscribe if this computer vision and the knowledge I share is useful. Comment below if you have any thought or suggestion. That's all. And I will see you in the next one.